Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch and listen to BINI, Be Who You Are, featuring Critico. Ito yung lyrics, and then after nito, yung parang performance nila, yung papanoodin ko. So hindi ko na ito patatagalan, let's start. Parang hindi ko pa siya napapakinggan ever. Be who you are. At dahil ano pala ngayon, Pride Month, so happy Pride Month sa ating mga bading, lalo na sa BINI. So ayan, happy Pride Month guys. Be who you are, kagaya nga nasabi ng BINI dito sa kantang to, be who you are.
Shine like the stars. Let's celebrate.
Let's celebrate.
Day, let the sunlight come shining into your life.
Mika?
Make it. If we give love, spread the good vibes. Need someone happy today.
The world is opening up.
Come bebe.
Let's rise to the top. Forget, leave your worries behind. Let's talk and have fun. Be together as one. Be who you are. Be who you shine like the stars.
The harmonies, as
Make the
big.
whole world happy. Be who you are. Be who you shine like the stars. So be with you. We're gonna make this world dance.
We're gonna make this world dance.
Eh,
We're gonna make this world dance.
Sabay-sabay. Hello and hi.
the high notes.
We're gonna make this world dance.
Kaway, kaway. Sabay-sabay. Hello and hi.
Yung mga kanta talaga ng BINI, sobrang ganda ng message.
Kapatalo, isagad mo ang pangarap, hindi yan
Like, grabe yung meaning.
It's a wonderful day. Be glad for every day. Di ka nag-iisa. Tayo'y magsama-sama. Nabitas nga aldaw, Kim Diego, Ami, Shagit, everybody kung nakasabay ka.
Aya?
Kasi ka high, kasi dito nombre, kasi yata mo na everybody say.
Ano lang?
Kasi ka high, kasi dito nombre, kasi yata mo na everybody say.
Ano language yun?
Opening up. It's time for a ride. Let's rise to the top. Forget, leave your worries behind. Let's talk and have fun. Be together as one.
Makulit?
Shine like the sea. Let's make the whole world happy. Be who you shine like the stars. We're gonna make
Sana Pride Month ngayon no, mag-top din ko sa Spotify. Eh, grabe yung rap. True. The high note. Let's.
Sabay-sabay. Hello and hi. All I hate, mabuhay.
Grabe.
All I hate, mabuhay. All I hate, mabuhay.
Wow. Ang ganda ng song, ang ganda ng meaning. And grabe talaga. Grabe yung rap part and yung mga high notes, mga ad-libs. Grabe. So, i-next na natin yung performance nila dito sa kantang ko. Feel ko may LSS din ako dito. So, eto na, Be Who You Are, BINI. Parang barangay X mix. So, let's start.
Be who you are.
Starting off with Mika. The outfits.
Let's celebrate, cause it's a new day. Let the sunlight come shining into
Ganda ng
your
outfits nila.
We can make it. If we give love, spread the good vibes. Need someone happy today.
The world is opening up. It's time for a ride. Let's rise to the top.
Mario? Ayan! Wow, ganda ni Maloy! Hey! Hey! Oh my gosh, Colette! Tatawa, papakasalan mo ang mahalit pag sisimba luluhuran. Eh. Eh. This duo.
It's a wonderful day. Be glad for every day. Di ka nag-iisa. Tayo magsama-sama.
Hey, let's go, Aya! Go, stop! Grabe yung vocals. Eh, ganda ni Gwen. Grabe talaga yung stage presence ni Gwen pag nag-perform. Ah, kalat! Mine. Oh, grabe yung vocals. Ganda ni Maloy. Eh, grabe, Colette. Grabe. Eh, nabunso lang. Makulit? Eh. Wow!
Sabay-sabay.
Wow! Grabe harmonies. Wow, galing! Grabe yung visuals nila dito sa performance, yung vocals, yung outfits, and yung charisma nila pag nagpe-perform talaga, like grabe, sobrang galing. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!